What's going on, guys? Human Pokedex, and today we got another video. We got another 25 packs. So, guys, just like the same as the other one, it should be part 5, I believe. But let me get these things open, and I'll be right back. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's get straight to it, guys. So far, this blister case has been pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Been okay. I mean, we still have, after these 25, we'll have another 50 we have to go through. Espeon V, I'll take that. Still aiming for Rayquaza. I haven't even pulled there's not even the regular Rayquaza, honestly. Rayquaza must be really difficult to pull. I can't even pull the regular V. There is a lot of cards in this set, though. A lot of V's. But I'm always aiming for just alternate art. Ooh, Espeon V Max. Okay, Espeon's on the block. Got a Rayquaza and Umbreon packs, and Espeon too. I mean, Sylveon. I forget that Sylveon is actually a Pokemon. One of the evolutions, you know. And let's go! My favorite Pokemon, favorite evolution, right here. Here's the code card. Alright. Come on. Oh, I'm pretty upset that Jolteon alternate art, they poured on alternate art, some of the other ones didn't get a alternate art, you know? So I'm wondering if they're going to put it in maybe like a V-Box or something, or some type of premium collection. Because I was very excited for Jolteon alternate art. Come on, Umbreon. Let's go. Just a regular holo. Finally get a Flaffy. If you haven't done so, keep all your Flaffies. Everybody's going to want to make a deck out of that card. Let's go, Dragonite. First Dragonite V. I think that's a full art. I'm not sure. That's another one of the alternate arts I would like to pull. Is that Dragonite. Alright. Ooh, just a regular holo. So far, not too bad, though. Alright, for the rest of these, I'm going to try not to look at the code card. Cario, Olu, whatever that little guy is. Come on. Do we have like 9 packs left? Ooh. Come on, we get an alternate art. Ooh, Valcorona. Can't be mad at these pools. I got Jolteon. Oh! Told myself I was not gonna look at the back. After this one, we'll have 4 more packs. The last 4 packs, guys. I'm not gonna look at it. Let's go! Finally got a Rayquaza, and it was a V-Max. Let's go. I mean, is it called Rayquaza or Rayquaza? Either way, y'all probably know what I mean. 2 more packs. Nothing. Can we get a last pack magic? Yeah. Oh, just a garbage can. Alright, guys. Pretty much the pulls are on the bottom. Got some pretty great pulls. Jolteon V, Espeon V Max, Dragonite, Suicune, Valcorona V, Rayquaza V Max. Can we get mad at that? No, sir. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.